What's going on, guys? We are here at Lost Island in Iowa checking out the all-new Fire Runner. This is the new RMC single rail. This is the Raptor model. We're going up 105 feet. We're gonna go down a 97-foot drop, nearly vertical, 52 miles an hour. And if you know anything about these Raptors, these are some breakneck roller coasters. So already, here we are at the top of the very loud lift hill. You get a nice view going around this corner. A lot of, oh, there's the rest of the park, and here we go, first drop. Whoa! No! Into the first inversion. Okay, airtime hell. Whoa! That's that RMC Exector. Little S-bend here, back down. Woo! A cutback, near miss with the station. Oh, some nice floater in that corkscrew. Positive G's, let's pop into the brakes. I mean, that is intense. It is a very, very quick ride, but you cannot say that there's a single dead spot or dead zone here. So this is an awesome new addition here at Lost Island. Make sure you come check it out. They really have something special here. So if you enjoyed the video, consider liking it. You want to see more roller coaster content like this coming real soon, please make sure to subscribe. My name's John. You've been watching Mid-Course Discourse, and I'll see you next time.